Hey guys, for this week's walk around, we have a 25-foot PL low-profile flat deck with some really awesome options that we want to show you guys. We have a 25K adjustable 2 5/16 coupler, a Bargeman 7-way plug with dual contacts, a spare tire and tire mount, a toolbox, and a pair of 12K jacks. But I really want to highlight two really neat options that we have on this model, a Douglas fir flooring and our hydraulic power tail. Douglas fir is one of our most cost-effective decking options, and it brings some really unique characteristics to the table at a great price. Douglas fir is very dimensionally stable, strong, and has good rut resistance. It also has fewer knots and irregularities compared to southern yellow pine, and it's also the perfect option for users wanting an enhanced deck that doesn't break the bank. The other cool option that we have on this trailer is our versatile power tail. The power tail is a hydraulically powered ramp option that functions as both a tail for loading as well as a deck for storing cargo. Because it's hydraulically raised and lowered, you don't have to manually lift and lower heavy ramps. The full-length design is also ultra safe, and the heavy-duty construction allows you to load anything that your trailer is rated for. And because it folds 180 degrees up and onto your dovetail, it increases your usable deck space when it's in the stowed position. It's no wonder that the power tail is the best-in-class option and one of our most popular tail designs. Now you can find more information on this trailer and these options by checking out the link in our description, as well as you can go to pjtrailers.com where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks guys.